20 Journal Prompts to Jumpstart Your Writing. Journaling is a powerful practice that can bring clarity, focus, and healing to your life. Journaling on a regular basis can help you process your thoughts and emotions, track your progress, and explore your creativity. However, sometimes it can be challenging to know what to write about, especially when you feel stuck or uninspired. That's why we've put together a list of 20 journal prompts to jumpstart your writing. These prompts are designed to help you access your inner wisdom, spark your imagination, and deepen your self-awareness. So grab your journal and let's get started. What are 3 things you are grateful for today, and why? Write about a time when you overcame a challenge or obstacle, and what you learned from the experience. Describe your dream life in detail. What does it look like, feel like, and sound like? Write a letter to your younger or future self, sharing what you have learned and what advice you would give. Make a list of your favorite quotes or affirmations and write about what each one means to you. Write about a person who has had a significant impact on your life, and what you have learned from them. Choose a photo or object that holds special meaning for you, and write about why it is important. Describe a place you have visited or would like to visit and why it is significant to you. Write about a fear or limiting belief you have and how you could overcome it. Make a list of your current goals and write about why they are important to you and how you plan to achieve them. Write a poem or song about a theme that is currently resonating with you. Write about a habit or behavior that is not serving you, and what steps you could take to change it. Make a list of things that bring you joy, and write about why they are important to you. Write a short story or narrative based on a dream you recently had. Describe your perfect day, from the moment you wake up to the moment you go to bed. Write a letter to someone you need to forgive, or to yourself for something you need to forgive yourself for. Write about a book or movie that had a profound impact on you, and what you learned from it. Write a dialogue between your inner critic and your inner champion, and what they would say to each other. Make a list of your quirks and idiosyncrasies, and write about why they make you unique and special. Write about a quiet moment of solitude you have experienced, and how it made you feel. Journaling is a beautiful way to connect with yourself and the world around you. By using these journal prompts, you can unlock your creativity and explore your innermost thoughts and feelings. Whether you are just starting out or have been journaling for years, there is always something new to discover. So go ahead and take the first step, grab your journal and let the words flow. Want more journal prompts? Get our pocket-sized prompt book by visiting 365.journalparty.com.